Hi, welcome to PR Tech Talk. In this episode we're going to install the latest FSP version 2.3.0, and to do this we go to the GitHub page. I will put the link in the description below. So here we are, 2.3.0. We can see that this is a one file install. It's a 1.2 gigabyte file, so it's a huge one, but it does include everything that you normally need. So it has the compiler, and there is, in this instance, we're going also to use for the coming sessions some capacitive touch for the RSSK RA2L1 board. So that is already included and it's very convenient. So we will also enable that in the installation today. And if you scroll down a bit further, you can see all the features that are already involved and the Segger, etc. So we hit this link, download. So it's starting to download. So I double click on the downloaded file, and it says in my Windows has protected my Windows, and I say I will run it anyhow. So it starts to unpack. It will take some time, and I will stop talking and fast forward the video. So it has uploaded and unpacked itself. I would like to install it for my user. Okay, so now I come to this one. Normally you can just choose quick install, but in this case we are going to also include the QA Touch library. So we go for custom install. And the installer checks all the prerequisites, so everything is met for the good installation. Here you can see if you would like to have some additional information into it. Here you need to pay attention. Here you have a small tab up here that says Renesas QE. So we go for that one, and here we tick the box QE capacitive touch for RA, and then you will have all the software and the configurations installed for this one as well. Accept the terms and conditions and ask where you want it to have in the start menu. You can define that if you would like. Okay, so the installation is finally done. It took some time, and we just hit OK. It asks for a workspace, and I would like to have a workspace indicating it's FSP 2.3. So we're greeted with this welcome screen. I normally just close this one, but it's up to yourself. So we're done. This was the installation of the FSP 2.3.0 Studio. And if we just now go up and look at Renesas views, you have this special menu called Renesas QE, where you have the touch special drivers for the touch projects that we enable in the installation. And if you also enable the Bluetooth part of it, then these will also be available here. It's a 1.2 gigabyte download, so it's a huge one, and also the installation takes some time. there is a lot to do for the computer in the background, but just take a cup of coffee and relax, and everything will sort it out by himself. Okay, hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe, else we will see you in the next video. Cheers!